that Mary gets to drive.
Yeah.
And I get to put my feet up.
Yeah.
So you probably think I'm a slave driver making Mary do all that hookup. I'm not. She wanted to hook everything up. She wants to learn how to set up the water, set up the electric, and do all that stuff. So no, I'm not a slave driver.
Doesn't it? Okay, I won't. Each did all this.
So it's our first adventure, trying to get some miles in. I think we got lost anyways on one of the trails. So we're at Three Rivers Park and just north of Tallahassee. It's our stop for tonight, and then we're heading up north. We've got a harvest host that we're going to visit, and maybe another RV park.
Another state park.
Another state park. So which one?
Something Bayou State
Yeah.
Park, Mississippi.
And then we're gonna hit a harvest host, and then we'll make it to our destination for the wedding. Looking forward to that, spending some time with some friends. But so far, so good. It is hot though. Our AC's rolling.
He's struggling.
It's not stopping. We miss having those 3 air conditioners in the Class A.
Yeah.
And even sometimes those 3 air conditioners just went on and on and
Yeah,
on
that's
forever.
But
So
maybe when the sun goes down, it'll be better.
yeah. But it is a beautiful park. Not a lot of people here. We should be some beautiful stargazing tonight. So thanks for coming along with us. After all that driving, we got to get out and do our daily walk. I don't know, we did about 4 miles yesterday, and I think we're on track to do that too. But it really feels good before dinner. Go for a walk, take a nice shower, and have dinner and relax.
Relax. Yes.
Relax by the fire. No fire. It is too stinking hot.
Oh my gosh, no.
But it is beautiful out here in Mississippi right now.
On the bayou.
We're leaving. Where are we leaving? That's what happens when you travel. Sometimes
Mississippi.
We're in Mississippi.
Davis Bayou National Seashore.
And now we're going to Beaumont, Texas. And we're going to live on the bayou there also. There's actually a pretty cool Harvest Host that has a restaurant. And we're looking forward to spending our first Harvest Host in the van as we make our way up to Austin, Texas for a wedding.
There's your gator bites.
Yes, ma'am. That's it. But this is interesting.
Yeah.
There's an out of the way restaurant, great food,
Very
gator
good.
bites.
Got some gator bites.
It was some bacon wrapped shrimp. You can't go wrong with that. But the food was great,
Yes.
and we got a nice place. And as of right now, we're the only RV there. Should be a nice quiet night.
Should be. Yeah. It's very nice.
Love Harvest Host.
Yes.